Hello and welcome back to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I show you how to build software without coding. And in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to analyze, visualize, and plan workflows using AI. I've created this custom GPT that is able to articulate workflows in a way that allows me to create visualizations with AI. Let's go ahead and see how this works in action. I am going to say, I could just say hello to begin with. And I'm going to say, map a user flow for onboarding a new client to my marketing agency. And it's trained to map it in a very particular way that allows for decision gates, that allows for different pathways to be created. So you can see a decision point here. You can see another decision point. It gives us the option to add or remove any steps, but we're not going to do that. All we're going to do is copy all of this, and we're going to open a custom plugin from Whimsical. If I show you Whimsical here, so I'm actually logged in. You can see what it looks like. It allows you to create diagrams here. I was just planning a diagram for an AI project. And they have created a plugin for ChatGPT. To access this plugin, you will go to plugins. You have to have GPT-4 to do this. You go to the plugin store and you'll find AI diagrams. And what we're going to do is just paste what we have received from my custom GPT. And you can see it's activating the plugin. And now it's created our flowchart for onboarding a new client for a marketing agency. So you can see initial contact, schedule discovery call, conduct discovery call, prepare a proposal. You send the client proposal to the client. Do they accept it? No. Ask for feedback. You can prepare a new proposal. Or if they accept it, sign a contract. You have a kickoff meeting, and it keeps going. So this is a really solid way to visualize processes. If we do another one, let's say create a flow for a drip campaign for selling a course. And I'm actually going to change this from the user perspective. You can see they received the initial email, open email, read email. Okay, we got our sequence. All we have to do again is copy this. Go to our Whimsical plugin, paste it. It's going to use the AI diagrams again. And you can see it's created our diagram. Hopefully, this is helpful in you visualizing, analyzing, and creating flowcharts for different processes. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments or reach out to me on social media. And happy hacking!